6. We go 6, 7, 8. Where's the hands that we say men? 9, 10. We are men. Oh!
Okay, so we're doing the silver dollar pancake challenge where you have pancakes that are like small and you have to eat it without using your hands or only your mouth. And if you knock the plate off, use your hands. If you eat anything but your mouth, you're disqualified. And yeah, so
Shake hands.
good luck. Good luck.
All right, Mackenzie, you're the starter.
Go!
Hold on.
1, 2, 3, go! Look at Michael, he's going fast. Yeah, he did.
If your plate scoots too far away, you can scoot it with your hands. That's okay. It does slide too far away. We'll do yours next, Mackenzie.
Look at Connor, he can eat faster than Michael.
Don't choke. You need a drink, you can use your hands though. No, because you'll spill. If you need a drink, let's go ahead. It's fine to get a drink. Remember, you guys are battling for an entire dollar. Are you both down to one pancake? This is it. Winner has to open their mouth, show no food in there.
Connor wins!
No, he's got to chew it all the way. It's all got to be gone.
See, look, Michael.
I'm gonna throw up.
Okay.
I'm done. Oh. Oh my god.
Let's see. Get a drink, buddy.
I know what
All right.
Yeah!
This was pretty hard, but
If you
I proceeded to victory.
if you do it again, what would you do different?
Smaller bites.
Yeah.
A little less ketchup.
I will.
That was not good. I almost choked.
You gotta think of a different challenge next time.
Yeah. Bacon? I bet bacon.
Post in the comments if you have any ideas of any other challenges.
Yeah.
Not so nice.
Or you can
Pancake challenge for Mackenzie. Let's see what she could do. Ready? Go.
I cannot do